guide will help you to remove malicious pop-ups by newmessagenow.com. Newmessagenow.com. This is a dangerous site that tries to force you into sharing some of your personal details, such as your name, email address, telephone number, and possibly some other private information. The pop-up displays some misleading alerts claiming that you have a chance of winning Samsung Galaxy Note 10, iPhone X, iPad Pro, or something similar to that. So it then redirects you to some other suspicious page that attempts to, as I said, to collect your personal data. The occurrence of these pop-ups may be the result of certain adware in your computer. So first thing I recommend you to do is to carefully check your available Mac applications. If you see some strange software in the list, be sure to get rid of it right away as soon as possible. For instance, we see this strange DLM.app. We need to move it to the trash. And if you see some other software that is not familiar to you, be sure to get rid of it by moving it to the trash. Now, if you can't move some program to the trash, you might need to first force quit its related process. For instance, it could be the part of Google Chrome or some other browser. So you need to, first of all, force quit some applications that could be related to these unwanted programs like Safe Finder, and then move it to the trash. It's sometimes hard to manually get rid of the unwanted software because due to certain obstacles, the adware might be very tricky and persistent in your browser. So I recommend that you carefully scan your Mac with Combo Cleaner. That will help to sort things out with your Mac and to locate the adware or malware that is hard to be tracked manually. Get Combo Cleaner on this official page, combocleaner.com. Download the software and click on Start Combo Scan button, which will begin a free analysis of your Mac computer. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program will perform scanning of your computer and its analysis. At the end of scan, you will see the detailed report. If you see something next to the antivirus section, you may click on Review Results to find out what exact threats were found. So you will see the detailed list of each specific threat and its detailed location in your Mac. What you could do is click on this icon, that means Show in Finder. Then this will open the location of threat in Finder. You may right-click on this threat and move it to the trash. You may do the same procedure with all other malware types that were found. So click on this icon, then right-click on it, on the malware, and move it to the trash. So this is the manual way to remove malware from your Mac, or you could do it automatically but with the premium version of the program.